Personal break, 2016 Stadium Club Premier for Sergiu. Good luck, Sergiu. It's full of nasty hits. Still have Liverpool spot left in one box break for this. So I will do that break right after this. Well, it was a good case. It was a really good case. I know you didn't hit anything big, but of course, yeah, for you, not. But overall, it was a really good case. All right, good luck, Sergiu. Hope to get you a big hit today. Let's turn it around. We got T Marks, Zaha. Insert Firmino for Liverpool. Got gold, Romelu Lukaku, Everton. And here's the autograph. It is James Ward-Prowse for Southampton. James Ward-Prowse autograph. Southampton. T Marks is Hernandez, Hull City. And we got a first day issue Memphis Depay from Man United. Andre Gray, Hull City. Gold is Sam Vokes, Burnley. Golazo, Christian Benteke. Anthony Martial, contact sheet insert. Charlie Daniels, Bournemouth Gold. And we got Jack Butland autograph for Stoke City. So no big autograph in this one for you, sorry, Sergio. Jack Butland, Stoke. Got Wayne Rooney, menu insert. Robert Snodgrass, Hull. And first day issue is Benteke. Gold is Jose Rolabas, Watford. Golazo is Jermaine Defoe. And we got Olivier is Giroud, T Marks insert. That's it for the break. Thank you for joining. Hope to next time. Peace.